Friends. Hi friends, welcome to DSA Progress channel. Today we'll be solving pattern 17. So the problem statement states that given any integer n, you need to recreate the pattern given below for any value of n. Let's say for n is equal to 5, the pattern should look like below. So in the first line, I see there are 4 spaces and then a is printed. And then in the second line, there are 3 spaces and a printed. B because it's in the second line, and the third line C gets introduced, and then the fourth line D gets introduced, and then in the fifth line E gets introduced, and we have to write this reverse order of the remaining characters. Okay, let's try to solve this. Getting complicated. Okay, so first is int I equals 0, I less than n I plus plus. So this tells us how many number of lines we'll be using. So for 5 we have 5 lines of print statements here. So we'll first plan for spaces. The initial leading spaces in front of in the first line. So first I would say j is equal to 0, j less than to decrease it as I increases. So n minus I minus 1 would do the trick. So here I would print out the spaces, print the space, right? So n is 5. When n is 5, n I is 0, 5 minus 1, 4. So before a I would print 4 spaces, and then we have to print a character. So let me determine, print out the character ch is equal to a, and then we need a break point after which we should be able to reverse the characters. So we would do one thing. Int breakpoint equals 2 into I plus 1 divided by 2. So after this breakpoint, if it is before breakpoint, we should increase the character. After the breakpoint, we should decrease the character. Okay. So let's go to the next for loop. So in the next for loop, we'll be doing we have to go till breakpoint. So into I plus 1 would do the trick, and we would print the character, whatever we have taken, and we should add a condition saying if our j is less than or equal to breakpoint, then we would actually increment the ch, else we would decrement the character. That way we would have printed everything. So within this for loop we have printed the character spaces, and within this for loop we have printed out, and for after every for exit of for, we should print a new line. I think this should solve the problem. Let me run. Wrong answer, because I have printed ABC instead of ABA. ABA, because I did some mistake in the point. No, I did some mistake in here. So 2 into I would be 1. So 0, 0 less than 0 was not getting printed, and hence this minus was not running for the first term. So let me check it again. Wrong answer still because I got this. So I see the space for 5, for 5. Oh, okay. Hmm. 0 to 4. And then I think I should start the J from 1 till 2x minus 1 less than or equal to J plus plus 2 by. Let me check this condition. Now it is accepted because I had started the J loop from 0. So A plus 0 would always give me A. So I should have started it from. So 0 and 1 had the same condition. That's why it didn't work. Now it is accepted. Let me submit this code. So all the 22 cases passed. Thank you, friends.